Good day. Guess what? Time to upgrade our code to HTML5. I'm excited. So should you. Okay, folks, the first thing we're going to do here is please download HTML5-lounge files. Now what we're going to be doing is, this is going to be one of the nicest parts of HTML5 as far as making our tags a lot simpler with our headers. So most of you guys have some super sophisticated lounge files right now. Well, we're going to go back to the beginning just to keep things simple. So let's go ahead, click on HTML5-lounge files, download them. Okay, so let's go ahead to Macintosh HD, go to our house, go to downloads, okay, house, downloads, and then scroll down, go ahead to Lounge HTML5 Part 1. So click on that. So let's now open up our headfirstlounge.html in Komodo Edit. Control click, open with Komodo. Alright, so a lot of things that we used to have to play with were sort of unnecessary, at least at this point. So all this stuff here, I never was able to remember it, okay? I never was able to. I always had to copy and paste it. So much easier, folks. So much easier, okay? So instead of all of this gobbledygook here, okay, actually this is usually 2 lines here. So instead of all this, guess what it's replaced with? Dude, it's so legit. Almost legit as a bonfire. Dude, watch this. So all this, I'm just going to increase the size of my text here. Sorry about that. Okay, all of that replaced with doc type HTML. So legit. So much nicer. So much better. Okay. So actually, we can actually put that to HTML5. There you go, doc type HTML. And then HTML, it stays the same. Head, same. Title, same. Now this stuff here, whole bunch of craziness. Whole bunch of craziness. Guess what? Let's get rid of this stuff here. Meta character. So we just said here to UTF-8. Okay, so our character set equals UTF-8. Okay, from there, you know how we had all that complicated stuff with our CSS? A lot simpler. Let's go ahead here, set it to link. Whoops. Style sheet. Alright. And then that's just href, which is called lounge.css. Okay. Now the new thing, and really what we are going to be getting into a lot, is called JavaScript. So let's put this in there. Script source. I'm just going to call this lounge.js. We're going to be getting a lot further into this. Okay? So let's do that, and then we just end that script. And the head, body, that's all good stuff. So what we got here is a whole just sort of awesome simplification compared to what we had to do before. If you think about all that stuff you had to copy and paste, especially the gobbledygook that was up here. One of the things with HTML5 is that it strives to just improve and simplify. Okay, so far what we changed our the doc type, so that's different. We also changed the sort of the character set, so we don't have to have all that stuff with HTTP equivalent content type, content text, HTML, just UTF-8. Really what that's about is just what type of sort of characters or text. Essentially if you're doing right to left stuff versus left to right. And then finally, with HTML5, it's assumed that you're going to be using a CSS page. Okay? So after you're done with that, please save your work. Okay? Save your work, and then please upload that into the forum right here. Okay? Thank you.